We as the lay representatives received only our instruction to act on behalf of persons unknown less than 24 hours ago. We attempted in the following way to obtain an adjournment to allow us to study the case further, but sadly the following happened, meaning we are forced to give this statement. We, the lay representatives appointed by the agent for persons unknown in this case, whom by the court's papers definition are unknown, therefore cannot be proved to be in the court today. We state, as lay representatives, the following as a true and honest account of proceedings held in court today. We requested before entry to the court to the judge that did he agree we were entering the room with all our natural and unassailable rights. The judge agreed. We then requested, can our lawful witnesses also enter the courtroom with all their natural and unassailable rights? The judge agreed. We all entered the room. We instructed the judge at that point we claim common law jurisdiction in this court, and the judge agreed to this. We then asked the judge to produce his oath to prove his jurisdiction in this court to us. He refused to do so. We requested again and he refused. Therefore, we stated that we could not recognise his jurisdiction until we had seen his oath. But the judge, in the meantime and simultaneously, decided to make the judgment of the case as we were speaking. All through this, despite not having proven jurisdiction. We stated we do not recognise the jurisdiction of the judge and so the court. At this point, we called the police, as under common law we were entitled to due process. That was not granted by the judge. The judge submitted a summary judgment without permitting a trial. The judge then left the court, where we then asked the clerk of the court to record the fact that we have asked whether the judge has abandoned or had adjourned, as we did not know what had happened. The clerk refused to reply. Due to no response from the clerk, we declared to the clerk we had now the highest lawful authority in the court under common law. So therefore we had no option but to take control of the court and dismiss the case. This we have done and do not recognise the judge's ruling today, as he failed to provide and adhere to lawful due process for the defence in this case. This is a very sad case. We as peacemakers are seeking to ensure that if a case in law is brought against any member of the public, then that member has the right to lawful due process. This case proves that in this case, the judiciary has exercised a ruling without a trial. A judge has made a judgment without hearing any evidence from the defence. This is a failure of human rights under common law.